What's going on? Your boy Industrial Dave. Welcome to 6 to 6. You see the title, Working in California. Yay, yay! You know what I'm saying? We're getting into it. Working in California. What is it really like? Again, everything's a give and a take. I'm getting right into it. You gotta make some money if you're working in California. It's just the way it is. California is a big union state. A lot of your jobs, they're just paying top dollar, man. It is what it is, you know? But again, everything's a give and a take. Is it expensive out there? Extremely, for sure. It's very, very expensive. Now check this out. I got this nice little list for y'all, and I'm gonna go over a few things. You're gonna commute. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You're gonna have to commute, or you just gonna pay for rent. It is what it is. Me personally, I think that I would probably not commute, especially if you're not used to the traffic. I'm telling you right now, wherever you've been, it's not, you cannot compare the traffic. The traffic is going to cut into your life, especially if you're in the blue collar trades. You work in 10 and 12. You in traffic, add another 2 hours to that. Do you really want to be working 14 hours a day, you know, and you're not home? It's just part of it. But I got a few tips and tricks to show you the best way to commute. Get a bike. I had a bike personally, and I used to live in Rancho. I lived in the Inland Empire. I lived in Rancho Cucamonga, right on the shore of right at the end of the 105 freeway in LAX, right? 65-mile commute, all freeway. The speed limit the whole time is 65, right? I started at 7 o'clock in the morning. In order for me to get to work on time at 7 o'clock in the morning, I had to leave my house. I had to leave no later than 4:30 a.m. to get there at 5:30 and just sit in the parking lot, because there's no in between there. If you leave any later, you're on the road with 4 million people. You're not gonna get to work on time. You're not. So check this out. I had to leave 3 hours early. I get off at 4:30. That's a 10-hour shift, right? I wouldn't get back to Rancho to 6:30. And that's if there were no car accidents, y'all. Remember, this is 65 miles. That's it. And it's all freeway, right? That usually takes about 55 minutes in a car in LA with no traffic. When I got the bike, I saved an hour in the morning. Then in the afternoon, instead of a 2-hour commute, my commute went back down to about an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes. And I missed something too. The commute was 2.5 hours in a car. But still, not only did you save time, you save money on gas. If you're working in California and you're living in California, you got to get a bike. If it's just you working, I'm telling you, if you're commuting at least 40 miles a day, you got to get a bike. You're going to keep your sanity. You're going to get more time. It's going to be worth it, man. I'm telling you, that's the only way to do it. What else I got on my list? California got 15 refineries, man. 15. Some states don't even have one. You got 15 oil refineries in California. Between the Bay Area and LA, you can pick it, man. You already know, if you've been watching my channel, if you're working in a refinery, you're gonna make some money. You're gonna be working overtime, you know, and then between those 15, you got your choices of where you can work and what times of the year, you know what I'm saying? So you could pick your poison. And these places are huge. They need operators, they need carpenters, electricians, welders. They need all of this stuff. Even if you ain't got no experience about nothing, you can get out there and sell snacks and sandwiches to all these oil refinery workers, and you can get it. I'm telling you, there's all kind of hustles that you can do in California, right? You also, on another part of that sector, California got 2 nuclear plants. Now, unfortunately, only one is operating. That's Diablo Canyon. Now, Songs is not operating. Unfortunately, they lost their permits and all that stuff, but there are still people, you know, involved with that work. You can't just turn the light switch off at a nuclear power plant. It's got to be decommissioned and all that stuff. But you still got your option. You got Diablo Canyon, right? So you can get a job at Diablo Canyon and work in the nuclear field. And again, a lot of states don't make nuclear power, so you still got that option there for you. You got cheap food, man. The food in California is so cheap, and it's so good, man. You already know this. The food in California is where it's at. It's hands down. It's just unmatched. You know, it's not a whole lot to this video about working in California, But I just want to tell you, again, this is just brainstorming, just giving you a few things that about my experience living out there. You're gonna make a lot of money. The union wages are really high out there. And again, this is for people who are thinking about moving out there, not if you're traveling to work. This is for people that already live there or want to move to California. I'm telling you right now, the traffic is horrendous. It's terrible. You're gonna lose so much time in commuting. I'm so serious. Like, you're gonna lose. And I know this might sound crazy, but I'm telling you, California is one of the only places I've been where people will literally, they will cut your throat to work night shift. Nobody wants to work day shift like that, especially if they're commuting. That means if you work day shift, you're gonna have to get up early to beat all the traffic and then just to be in traffic when you get off. At least if you work, when you work night shift out in Southern California, you only have to worry about traffic when you're going to work. You've already worked a 10 or a 12-hour shift. The least thing you want to do is just be able to get home. You know what I'm saying? So if you're going in at like 6 p.m. and you're getting off at 4 a.m., you know, you're good, right? California is the only place where you want to work night shift. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Most people that live out there and work, especially if they're in Southern California, your average person is gonna commute 40 to 60 miles easy. Like, you can ask anybody out there, oh yeah, my commute is 60 miles. Oh yeah, mine's 90 miles. Everybody does. It's insane to me. One thing about California, it's not like these other places that have loops with the freeway. California, most of your traffic runs east and west. Like, that's it. So that's why you've got all the traffic. Everybody's going east everybody's going west in the morning, and then they're going east in the afternoon. So the best way to beat that is you got to get a bike, man. It's just part of it, especially if it's you and, you know, you don't have any kids to pick up or anything. Man, I'm telling you, you get you a bike, you can zoom through the lanes. You are gonna win. And by bike, guys, I mean motorcycle. Come on, man. Y'all should have figured that out by now. But these are my little fun facts. You know, my 5 things about working in California. Hey, you guys have an industrious day. I appreciate y'all tuning in. You see it. Stay tuned, y'all.